Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a security license in West Virginia, you need to meet a minimum of the following conditions. The full list of requirements can be found in links in the video description. Be at least 18, be legally allowed to work in the U.S., pass a criminal background check, provide valid photo ID and social security number. In West Virginia, the license is tied to your employer. You can't get licensed independently unless you plan on operating a solo security agency. Otherwise, you can only work through a licensed security agency. That agency files your registration with the West Virginia Secretary of State. Step 2. Required training. In West Virginia, you can't get licensed as a security guard unless you're already employed by a licensed company, because training is handled in-house, not through a state academy. Once hired, West Virginia law requires at least 4 hours of certified training within 80 days of your start date. The training can include use of force, legal authority, emergency procedures, report writing, and more. Your employer is legally responsible for delivering and certifying this training. There's no state fee for it, but some employers may deduct the cost from your first few checks or cover it entirely. Step 3. Proof of completion. Once you finish your training, your employer will document it as a part of your application. No external certificate is issued. Your agency retains the proof internally. You're not responsible for submitting it. The company handles all filings, but you should still keep a record of your completion for your own files if possible. Step 4. Fingerprinting and background check. Your employer is required to obtain a state and federal background check. This is usually done through IdentoGo, and the employer provides a service code. Some employers may arrange in-house fingerprinting with law enforcement or a different vendor. The fee is typically about $45. Step 5. Submit the application. Your employer submits your application to the West Virginia Secretary of State. If you're employed by a licensed security company, you won't apply on your own. The company handles everything for you. They'll complete and file the state's official application form and include completed fingerprint background check, proof you completed the training, a copy of your ID and social security card, passport style photo, the $150 license fee, which may be paid by the company or deducted from your check. The form they submit is called a PISG app, and it's filed directly with the Secretary of State's office. Step 6. Cost breakdown. Let's break down the full cost to get licensed in West Virginia. Training is $0 to $150, which varies by employer. Fingerprinting is $45. The application fee is $150, submitted by employer. The total cost is approximately $195 to $345, though many employers cover this up front. For perspective, the median wage for unarmed guards in West Virginia is around $14.25 an hour, or $30,990 a year, based on the latest Bureau of Labor Statistics data. Step 7. License approval and delivery. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a laminated registration card, usually mailed to your employer. You're legally required to carry this on you while on duty. Expect processing to take 1 to 2 weeks once the application is received. Step 8. Renewal. Renew your license every 2 years. Your company is supposed to file for renewal before the expiration date. Cost is around $150. You may need to complete refresher training depending on employer policy. Step 9. Get hired and stay informed. Now that you're registered, you're good to go. But remember, your license is only valid as long as you're employed by the company that filed it. If you want to switch jobs, the new company has to submit a new application. Check job boards like Indeed, and follow our guard guides for discussions. Check out my beacons and Etsy pages for resume tools, templates, and study guides to boost your odds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.